Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another video. Today I've been deciding to use my voice instead of the AI in the background just to switch it up, and you guys have been recommending and suggesting me to use a human voice for more quality engagement and audience retention. So I've been deciding to use that as well. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into the video. So this video is going to be about how to clean solar panels the right way. What are the top 5 tried and tested methods to ensure the quality of your solar panels are going to be cleaned and efficient as well. So in general, solar panels are really designed to require very little maintenance and repairs. However, in order to achieve that maximum efficiency and output of a solar panel, it is important to keep them clean and free from dust. Dust accumulation can reduce the output efficiency of solar panels by up to 6.5%, and in some regions, such as the Middle East, this reduction can be as much as 40%. And so the main question is, do solar panels need cleaning? The answer is yes. You do need to clean your solar panels in order to achieve their maximum efficiency and output for the maximum number of years. Therefore, according to the statistics, solar panels must be regularly cleaned, and you can do it at home. The first method is using a garden hose and a soft brush. This is actually one of the simplest and most cost-effective ways to clean your solar panels at home. So first off, you're going to be spraying the solar panels with water to remove any loose debris. Then you're going to gently scrub the surface with the brush to remove any stubborn dirt or grime. And then finally, rinse with water and let them to dry. Second method is to use a gentle soap solution and a soft cloth or a sponge. If your solar array system is particularly dirty or covered in bird droppings, then a gentle soap solution may be necessary. So to make the solution, you're going to have to mix a few drops of mild dish soap with warm water and use a soft cloth or a sponge to clean the panels. However, just make sure to avoid using abrasive materials such as steel wool, which can scratch the surface of the panels. Number 3, a long-handled soft bristle brush or a squeegee with an extension pole. If your solar PV system are particularly hard to reach and mounted in rooftop areas, then a long-handled soft bristle brush or a squeegee with an extension pole can make cleaning easier. So to do that, you're going to use a brush or a squeegee to gently scrub the surface of the panels and remove any dirt. Which brings us to number 4, automatic solar panel cleaning systems. If you don't want to clean your solar panels manually, you can always consider installing an automatic solar panel cleaning system. These systems use a series of brushes and sprays to clean the panels without any manual effort. However, these systems can be expensive, but they are a great option for large commercial or industrial level solar PV systems and want to ensure that your panels are always clean efficiently and reducing the number of hours for labor. Number 5. A solar panel cleaning kit. If you would like a more thorough cleaning kit, then you can purchase one which includes a specialized cleaning solution, a brush or a squeegee, and a wiper. These cleaning kits are specifically designed for cleaning the solar panels and can be a great option if you want to ensure that your solar panels are properly maintained. Now the question you might be asking yourselves, do I need to turn off my solar panels to clean? To answer your question, no, you don't actually need to turn off your solar panels to clean them. The reason why is because solar panels are actually designed to operate safely in all weather conditions, including while being cleaned. However, it is essential to prioritize safely when cleaning your panels and avoid any abrasive cleaning products or tools that could damage the surface of the panels, and make sure that any loose wiring or connections are fixed before any water gets to them. Another question you might be asking is, well, how often should I clean my solar panels? And the answer to that question is actually very simple. It depends on various multiple factors, such as the location of your PV system installed, if you're in a residential system, commercial or industrial level, surrounded by the amount of dust and dirt in the environment that is being polluted, and how the angle of the solar panels are being installed as well. So as a general rule of thumb, cleaning your panels once every 3 to 6 months should be sufficient, but depends on where your location is and how much dirt or dust has been accumulated. So based on that, you're going to have to vary the frequency. Maybe generally once every 2 weeks or 1 to 2 times per week. However, it's a good idea to monitor your solar panel output and clean them more frequently if you notice a significant drop in efficiency. Another question you might be asking is, well, what is the best thing to clean solar panels with? For most solar panels, using a mild, non-abrasive, biodegradable soap mixed with water should be sufficient to remove dirt and grime. And make sure to avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners as they can damage the surface of the panels. And always follow the manufacturer's recommendations for cleaning the products and methods. But you also might be asking, well, does solar panel cleaning make any difference? Absolutely yes. Cleaning your solar panels can increase the efficiency of your solar system, as clean solar panels are not hindered by the obstruction of maximum sun energy by any dust or debris. Fun fact, a clean solar panel can produce nearly 7% more output than a dirtier one. Okay, I had to include this question. Is it okay to clean solar panels with water? And you know the answer to that. Yeah, generally, cleaning solar panels with water and non-abrasive soap is generally the safe option. However, if you live in an area with hard water, use distilled water or rinse thoroughly with clean water to prevent mineral buildup. And always make sure to avoid using high-pressure water jets or hoses as they can damage the panels. So the big question, do you use soap to clean solar panels? A regular soap can be used effectively to clean the solar panels, ensuring their cleanliness and efficiency. However, it is duly noted to avoid any abrasive materials or harsh chemicals that could potentially harm the panel's glass surface. But what equipment do you actually need to clean the solar panels? Well, to clean the solar panels, you actually need a soft brush or a sponge with an extendable handle, a bucket, non-abrasive soap, and a clean water. A squeegee or a microfiber cloth can actually help remove excess water and prevent streaks on the solar panels. Some of you might use this, and the question is, can you use vinegar to clean the solar panels? While vinegar is often used as a cleaning agent for various surfaces, it is generally not recommended to use vinegar to clean your solar panels, unfortunately. The reason for that is because vinegar is acidic, right? And it can potentially damage the anti-reflecting coating on the surface of the panels, reducing their cell's efficiency. Okay, but what is the best way to remove the snow without damaging the panels then? When removing snow on your solar panels, use a soft brush or a snow rake with a rubber or foam edge to gently remove the snow, not the one that is shown on the video. And also make sure to avoid using metal tools or shovels as they can scratch and damage the panels. It's also vital to work carefully and gradually, removing the snow layer by layer to prevent any sudden weight shifts that could cause any damage. This is a good one. When is the best time of the day to clean the solar panels to avoid any potential damage from the sun's heat? The best time to clean the solar panels is early in the morning or late afternoon evenings when the sun's intensity is lower. The reason for that is because cleaning during these times reduces the risk of thermal stress caused by rapid temperature changes, which can definitely cause more damage to the panels and leading to more cracks. Additionally, cleaning during the cooler times of the day makes the process more comfortable and safer for you as well. And that's basically it. These are the several methods to clean the solar panels at home, including using a garden hose and a soft brush, a gentle soap solution, a soft cloth, or a long-handled soft bristle brush, or a squeegee with an extension pole. If you're still unsure about cleaning your solar panels yourself, don't hesitate to call a professional solar panel cleaners to get the job done. And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about today's change and adjustment to this video. Take care, stay safe, until next time. Bye-bye.